Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to reboot your iPhone, one using the buttons and the second using Siri. Note that with both these methods, you won't lose any of your data or settings. It's a simple reboot. So let's jump right into it. First up is the force restart method, perfect if your iPhone is frozen or not responding. To do a force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Finally press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power button and let your iPhone restart. Make sure to do this quickly. If you go too slowly, Siri might activate instead. So that's it, a quick and easy force restart for your iPhone. This process helps fix any minor software glitches or bugs that might have been causing problems. Let's move to the second method. Now here's a quick and easy way to reboot your iPhone using Siri, no buttons needed. All you have to do is say, "Hey Siri," and then say, "Restart my iPhone." Siri will respond with a confirmation prompt. Tap on Restart to proceed. Your iPhone will automatically shut down and turn back on. This method is super convenient when you prefer voice commands. And that's it. 2 super simple ways to reboot your iPhone, whether you prefer using the buttons or asking Siri. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.